Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel that's always giving you the best and trendy acrylic nail art designs. In this video for today, I have some unique and beautiful acrylic nail arts for you my gorgeous queens. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. In case you see my channel or my video for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, and as you do that, turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So ladies, watching this video, you see that I have perfect compilations of new and trendy acrylic nail art designs. These nails comes in different colors, different shapes and designs. You can practically rock them to any occasion of your choice. So watch the video from beginning to its end so that you do not get to miss a single slide. And as you watch my video, please do support this video by hitting the like button, okay? Give this video a thumbs up and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. Thank you guys so much. I also appreciate my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, you guys are the best. You make this channel what it is today. Thank you so much for your immense support. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about this video or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.